morning, informed beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my morning natural hair quarantine. So lately, if you guys have noticed in a few of my videos, I have been wearing my hair mostly wrapped, and that's how I've been wearing my hair throughout this quarantine, just wrapping it up. Okay, so I washed my hair day before yesterday. So this is just a little bonnet that I sleep in. So I have these little braids, and I do pretty much nothing with them. I put them in and I've been letting them just be in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I always prep my hair before I cover it, because pretty much I'm gonna be covering my hair. I feel like right now during quarantine is kind of a good thing because I don't have to worry about putting in braids and putting any tension on my hair or wearing buns. And lately I've been wearing a lot of buns and ponytails, so I just really want to give my hair a break. Okay, so one of you guys asked me if you can use the coconut conditioner as a leave-in, and I told you guys yes, because currently I'm using it as a leave-in. I have so much conditioner, I refuse to buy a new leave-in. Okay, so we're going to use the conditioner in which I have. So I take the conditioner of my choice and I do place it in a spray bottle with some water. So that's what we have here. And then I'm going to take my spray bottle and I just spritz my hair. And so I really make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated. Okay, I want to make sure that it is getting all the moisture it needs while it's going to be covered. Okay, so after I do that, I go in and I fix my edges. Oh, I got it all over me. But I go in and I fix my edges. So I'm going to use this Instant Control Edge Control. This stuff is really good. So I just take that and I just put it on my edges because I want my edges to look good when I have it wrapped, and you'll see in a minute. So I just make sure my edges are nice and smooth down. Perfect. And then once my edges are like smoothed down like this, then I'm gonna take a scarf. So I'm gonna take a satin scarf of choice and I'm going to tie my hair down. And I like to leave out my edges, so I pull it back a little bit. Perfect. And I just tie it. The reason why I like to use a satin scarf is just because it's going to put that barrier between my hair and that cotton scarf. I just don't want anything tugging on my hair while it's being, you know, covered. So pretty much this is what the first layer looks like. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with my scarf of choice. Now I got this off at Etsy seller. I'll leave her information down below. This is a huge scarf and it gives you so much fabric to work with. So I have it folded in half, and what I do is I just drape it over my head like this. Okay, and I just make sure that it's even on both sides. Perfect. And then I bring it to the back like so, but I want to make sure that it lines up with my head scarf like that. Perfect. Good. And so then what I do after that is that I grab it at the base of my neck and I begin to twirl. And as I twirl, I take this and I loop it around itself. Twirl it, loop it around. And pretty much I'm just creating a knot. and it looks something like this. Okay, and that is how I wrap my hair during this quarantine. It's just really simple, and I feel like this is also a great way to protect your hair, especially keeping it retained with moisture and not having to put any tension on it. And it's cute, and you're good to go. You can go out the door, you can go, you know, to the grocery store, because that's pretty much all we can go to right now. You can go to the grocery store, you can do all of that, but it's a nice quick way to just cover your head. And it's not like you're wearing like a headscarf or a bonnet out the house. It's more of a like classy put together type of headscarf. Okay, and you can do it with so many different colors. I do need to get a few more colors, but black is pretty universal, and I just wear it, can go with about everything. But I will definitely leave all links to everything that I used in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.